99 jerseys in 99 days. Day 86, jersey number 86. We've got a Mario Manningham Michigan Wolverines game issue jersey. This jersey is actually from the Capital One Bowl, which is the last game Lloyd Carr coached for Michigan before retiring. Featured prominently on the upper chest, we've got the Capital One Bowl patch, Nike swoosh at the base of the collar. This is the last Nike jersey Michigan wore for a while too, since after this season, they would switch over to Adidas. There's a look at the sleeves. The numbers are a stretch foil material and sewn on, and the maize border overlays the navy numbers. Here's a look at the different paneling. On the back, we've got Manningham's name sewn across the nameplate. There's a look at the back numbers, and there's the back of the jersey. Check back tomorrow for jersey number 87. While you're at it, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to see more jerseys.